Roald Dahl books are being rewritten to remove any offensive language. On the 2022 edition of Dahl's books, like Matilda, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory or the Twits, publisher Puffin added a notice to the copyright page to say they regularly review the language used to make sure it can still be enjoyed by all today. There's been hundreds of edits and people are up in arms about it, so let's have a look through it ourselves. In Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, the description of Augustus Gloop has been changed. In 2001, this read, a 9-year-old boy who was so enormously fat he looked as though he had been blown up with a powerful pump. In 2022, it's just enormous. You might remember The Witches. In the 2001 edition, this read, even if she is working as a cashier in a supermarket or typing letters for a businessman. In the 2022 version, we've got, even if she is working as a top scientist or running a business. These are only 2 examples in a very long list. And it's not unusual to review the language used when it comes to updating a new edition. What do you think of the changes? Should we be switching up old stories or making way for new ones to replace them?